Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Did they hang up?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, let's see it. Should I try and just kind of nudge him over that way? There, got him. Against the door.
There he goes.
Ah, Jesus. Oh!
You get it? You get it?
You got him.
Yep, you're good, bud.
Look at that.
Got it? Whoa, sick, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Trust, man.
Yeah.
This picture is so funny to me because it's like, oh, like, she's at the beach. That's so cute. Incorrect. Incorrect. Home Depot has bags of sand for $4, and once I found that out, things went downhill. Y'all don't understand my struggle, though. I live in the country. The country. I'm talking, like, I can't, the smallest, most just southern town you could ever imagine. Like, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. I had a check that had to be made. This picture's funny because it's like, oh, I bet she's having herself a little pool day. That's, that's fun. Again, you would be incorrect. No, but really though, this was such a good idea. Like, come on. Absolutely genius. It looks so good.
Beauty hacks I learned from my Asian mom.
All right, I'm going to take the makeup off from underneath my eyes so you can see how big my eye bags are. There they are. On a cold cabbage, fresh out of the fridge, crush it up a little bit so the juice kind of comes out under your eyes for 5 minutes and they are gone.
Here's something I wish I knew before I was in my 30s. You can stop a pot from boiling over by putting a wooden spoon on it. Gotta get closer.
One hand in one of these, you're going backwards.
Okay.
Hang on. It's easier when they're closer together, but when they're not close, you just hold like this. Okay, that's it. Now you're gonna pull your knees like this and go in. So you're ahead. At this point, it's in the way.
Okay.
So what you do is you hold your breath and you put your head under and kiss. Dingy.
Okay. You are awesome!
Such a good girl.
There's a tip in there for you.
Okay, you guys need any change or are y'all good?
No, we're good.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do the best to stick this in here.
No, you're fine. Even if it has to go on top.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you. No problem. Have a good day.
Hey, thank you for choosing Starbucks. So can I get started for you today?
I want a venti iced white chocolate mocha with no whip, and can we add cold foam and caramel drizzle?
You may be wondering what these marks are for. Let me show you. Perfect. A little small. Perfect.
They taught you a trick at school as to how to put on your jacket?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, show me. Life hack from a 3-year-old. Okay, so he looks at it, he lays it down. Technique is unclear. Okay, he's now going around. I gotta rotate the camera here. Hold on. Boom, shakalaka. Nice.
What you want to do is put the life jacket on, like it's a diaper, and you hook it up, and then good deal.
I ain't never seen somebody. Show him, buddy.
Okay, so
What?
This lady at the store told me that if I spray hairspray on my bleached shirt, it'll go away.
Hairspray.
And here's the result.
Let's see. She just said spray it, right? This. Are you kidding me? It's going away.
Well, Nana
it's like when
means
Tina
go to
rings
sleep, so I'd like you to watch this. Right, Capri, is Chupita, ready, steady, Nana. There you go.
Thank you.